Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. This pandemic has given us a lot of opportunities for hypersonic learning and connecting with the outside world in online mode. We are constantly thriving for the upgradation of knowledge of all engineering aspirants. So for this, we have planned out some sessions for you all. Now, the session for today is creating predictive models using MS Excel. Yes, you heard it correct. It is creating predictive models using our very own MS Excel without doing any programming. A bit about the expert profile. My name is Dr. Ekta Upadhyay. I've completed my PhD in computer science and engineering. My research areas are image processing and deep learning. I'm associated with University of Mumbai for the past 17 years. Now, let us have a look at the roadmap for these sessions. So, the roadmap would be in our first session, we'll be having introduction to predictive models, knowing, having a know-how about what is predictive model basically. In our second session, we will get into linear regression. In our third session, we will see some examples on linear regression. So basically, we'll be trying to solve some numericals on linear regression. And our last session would cover linear regression using MS Excel. Okay, so starting with basics of predictive model. So what is a predictive model? Predictive model is a branch of data science wherein, as the name implies, we are trying to build up a model that is going to predict the output. Okay, so when I say predictive models, it has got two parts. One is predictive, that means we are trying to predict the output. Models, we generalize a phenomena or generalize a model. For example, on your right hand side, you can see input variable x, that is nothing but the age of a person. You can see output variable y, that is nothing but the weight of a person. If the age is 5 years, the weight is 25 kgs. If the age is 25 years, the weight is 60 kgs. If the age is 80 years, the weight is 100 kgs. So, now the question arises, can I predict the weight of a person if I know the age of the person? That means, say input x is equal to 35 years. Can I get the output y, that is nothing but the weight of the person in kgs if the age is 35 years, and I have got the other values out here. That means we are trying to build up a model from the data set available to us, and then we are trying to predict the output y on the basis of the input variable x. So that is what we are going to do in predictive models. Okay. Now, a quick look at some real life applications of predictive modeling. So, for now, we have picked up three different areas. One is sales forecasting, second is healthcare, and the third is fraud detection system. So, we come to sales forecasting. So, what is sales forecasting basically? Every manufacturing company, every retailer, every wholesaler, anyone who's into business would try to predict, would try to forecast the sales of his company for the next financial year. We have picked up two use cases for y'all. One is predicting the sales of aerated beverages in a restaurant on the basis of age group of customers. So, say a restaurant owner wishes to predict the sale of aerated beverages during summers so that he purchases the stock accordingly, depending on the age group of customers that are going to visit his restaurant from the past history. The second example is predict the sales of car for the next financial year on the basis of income of customers. Obviously, the car manufacturing company will get into some of the models for predictions to get the sales of their car for the next financial year so that they get into production accordingly. Our next example is from healthcare industry, wherein the use cases are diagnosing and treatment of diseases. A very good and a very innovative area for healthcare. The second example is predicting the health score of a patient. So say a visitor visits the hospital for regular checkups every year, every 6 months, or at regular intervals of time. He wishes to get a score of his. That means a health score of his, a very prominent research area again. Our next example is fraud detection system. So what is a detection system? As the name implies, we are detecting or predicting or forecasting the fraud that could happen. So we could have loan defaulters, we could have insurance frauds, we could have credit card frauds in it. Okay, now we come to some very basic real life examples, and that is, since you all are from 11th 12th standard, or you would have done your 11th 12th standard, now getting a seat into engineering is very difficult. So say there are 13 lakh applications for engineering seats. So the universities want to build up a model to identify how many seats will be filled up. Okay. So for that, they come up with a predictive model of their own based on the past history of admissions. So this is how we solve real life examples using some basic models, that is predictive models. Okay. So now what are we going to see in our next session? So in our next session, we are going to see one very important types of predictive models, that is linear regression. Okay, so linear regression we will be solving using MS Excel. But before doing that, we will be seeing in our forthcoming session what is linear regression and how do we do it. Now, for more updates and video lectures, you could subscribe to my YouTube channel Home Learners. You could also give me your feedback and queries on my email ID, and you could also connect with me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you for now and stay healthy.